Assalamualaikum. My name is Auni Afiqah binti Ahmad Bakir, holding a metric card number 1171492. We're going to present on my proposed topic, which is nutritional composition and sensory properties of fish sausage from the Indian mackerel fortified with the Brazilian spinach. Before I go further, I would like to guide my beloved evaluator on the presentation outline that I will be discussed today, which is from the introduction to the Gantt chart. Why did I choose Malaysian fish sausage, or also known as keropok lekor, stated by Nurliana et al.? It is because fish sausage is one of the famous snake food in the Southern Asia. Basically, marine fish are suited to be used to produce the fish sausage, and commonly, Indian mackerel are widely to be consumed due to the its expensive and also easy to be obtained. Spinach are rich in protein and also contains a lot of fiber and antioxidant content as stated by the LSite 2020. And also it having not too bitter taste and it is easy to be grown. In fact, spinach have widely been used in the culinary preparation as stated by the Young et al. And also have been done in the biscuit and also cheese. To strengthen the reason why did I choose this project is due to the lower intake of fruit and vegetables as stated by Chong et al. In 2017. Therefore, I will be carrying out a study to develop a Malaysian fish sausage, which is a famous snake food fortified with the Brazilian spinach, which has a lot of nutrition content. Thus, the objective of this study to determine the fiber content and antioxidant of the Brazilian spinach in the fish sausage, to determine the physicochemical changes in the fish sausage when fortified with the Brazilian spinach, and also to evaluate the degree of acceptance of this new formulation. Overview of the literature review on fish sausage, Indian mackerel and also spinach. Omar et al. Reported to determine the quality of fish sausage is based on the type of fish used, the percentage of fish used, and also its freshness. Supposedly, fish sausage must have 30% of fish content than flour. Meanwhile, Indian mackerel fish are also well known as ikan kembung or genera stated by Sha'ari and Mustafa is one of the important fish in the Malaysia, which is also rich in the omega-3 fatty acid. But last but not least, spinach has good of antioxidant content, mineral, fiber and also protein. Hu et al. Also have been stated that spinach has been categorized into three types, which is wrinkle leaf, semi-wrinkle leaf, and also flat or smooth leaf. Unfortunately, Brazilian spinach with round and semi-wrinkle leaf is quite not familiar. This table shows the previous study on the proximate composition of mackerel and also the antioxidant content in the spinach powder. The material and chemical that I will be used in this project. For the method, it will be started from preparing of the fish sausage until to the statistical analysis. Basically, this is the formulation that I will be used based on Zaman et al. With slight modification added Brazilian spinach based on the L-site method. So now let's move to the preparation of fish sausage. First of all, I will prepare the fish by removing all the internal organs and also its bone. And then I will wash it thoroughly under the clean water. For the preparing spinach, after harvest, I will wash it under the clean water to remove the bacteria from soil such Clostridium botulinum, and I will blanch it for 60 minutes to remove its oxalate. And then the spinach will be split into two parts, which is one will undergo the freeze drying to become a powder, and the another one will roughly blend to get the texture of the spinach. For preparing the dough, all the ingredients will be weighed and mixed together except for flour, cool water and also roughly spinach. After 2 minutes, this ingredient will be added into its butter. For shaping of the dough, I will be shape it into the cylindrical shape with 12 cm in length and 2.5 diameter to obtain the uniform size. Then the rolled fish will be boiled at 180 degrees Celsius for 5 minutes until it floating at water. And then it will be immediately immersed into the cool water to inhibit the pathogen growth. For the physicochemical and antioxidant analysis, I will be use texture analyzer and also colorimeter for the physical analysis. For the chemical analysis, I will be use cooking loss method by Nurliana et al. To determine the percentage of oil absorption. For the antioxidant analysis, I will be use TPC method using Folinker Coltius phenol reagent to determine the total phenol content in extract using the co-et-al method. And then for the DPPH free radical scavenging assay, I will be used to predict the antioxidant activity by determining the free radical scavenging capacity. The proximate analysis will also be conducted in this experiment, which is a moisture content, protein content, fat content, ash content to determine the amount and type of mineral, fiber, and also carbohydrate. Sensory analysis will be carried out based on Zim et al. Method. 9-point hedonic scale will be used, and this will be carried out at the Faculty of Science and Technology. The panelists consist of 70 untrained panelists, which is USIM student itself, to test on its attribute of fish sausage fortified with the Brazilian spinach, and also will be given the questionnaire. For the data analysis, ANOVA and Minitab will be used, and all the measurement will be done in triplicate, and the experiment will replicate twice to obtain the accurate result. In this experiment, I am expecting that the fish sausage formulated with the Brazilian content has higher antioxidant compared to the control, and the fiber content will be estimated to has greater fiber content compared to the control, and also the consumer will more prefer to the new formulations of the fish sausage due to its nutrition content. Thus, this Gantt chart will be my guidance to complete of my project. For this slide, it shows the selected references that are being used. That's all from me. Thank you.